We are going to see fraction addition using the visualization of circle. So to draw a circle and divide it and shade it, we are going to use fraction module. I have already put the module in the backpack, so you can just open the backpack and drag the code here. So after that, you can close the backpack and work freely. So these are predefined functions which I have already created using my blocks. So you can access this in the my blocks. If you make any changes here, it will not work properly. So let's see what this block will do. So this one, it will work for only proper fraction. So numerator is less than the denominator. So x origin and y origin are center of the circle, and radius is the radius of the circle. So I can give any coordinates. I'm going to give -150 and 0, and radius is 40. If you click on it, you can see that the cat is drawing the circle. If you want it to move fast, you can go to edit and turn on turbo mode. You're importing the codes only. If you want the pencil to draw these, you can choose the pencil sprite. For that, you can pick the you can pick the pencil sprite here, or you can go to the costumes and choose a pencil sprite. And then you can delete the cat sprites. So when you choose this pencil sprite, you need to put this pencil right in the sharp center, so that it will look that pencil is actually drawing. Otherwise, the pencil is just, it will look like the pencil is just rotating. There is a one more input called jump angle, that is for shading. We have skipped that jump angle. You can always give 1 for the jump angle for the fine shading. Now we can create some variables to work on the fraction addition. So since we need 2 fractions, but we are now going to see only proper fraction addition, so we are going to need only three variables. That is just, I'm simply calling it n1 and n2 and d1. Can set the variables. First, we are going to set denominator using the pick random. You can give positive numbers from 2 to 10 or 2 to any number. Since it is proper fraction we are doing, we can set the numerators less than the denominator. So we are fixing the range from denominator to denominator. So if you can always see this here. So since we have given the range from 2 to d1 for the n1 and n2 variables, if you click, you can see that it is always less than, or sometimes it will be equal 7, 7. If you don't want it to be equal, then you can reduce the range further to d minus 1. Now your variables will always give us a proper fraction. So we can now use these fractions to draw the circle, and we can see the visualization. So for the first fraction, we are going to give n1 variable, and for denominator t1, you can give in x origin and y origin, and radius is 40. You can give the flag and erase all. That's 2 by 4. So for the other fraction, you have to draw the circle beside this one. So for that, we need to change the variables, and we need to change the x coordinate. The height is going to be same, so we can use the y coordinate as just as 0. So that's it.